White clover tea, anyone? Free food and medicine. An edible plant guide. Clover. Clover, red and white, high in protein, contains 4 phytoestrogens, help regulates hormone balance and protect the body from cancer and other side effects of estrogen dominance. Also has isoflavones for cancer prevention. Helps enlarge prostate, menopause, hot flash, skin healing, wounds, psoriasis. Red clover, blossom, and garlic helps thin the blood. Clover blossoms are an expectorant, good for bronchitis, asthma. A floral infusion in a dish. I don't believe in douching, but the book says it helps to alleviate vaginal itching. Plant red clover under fruit trees to provide lots of nutrients and nitrogen for fruit trees. So, how to use it? This book says you can use the leaves, but it may cause you gas unless you blend it up really good or make a tea with it. It is best to not harvest red clover late in the year because it starts producing poison alkaloids. Never ferment clover, eat them fresh or dried, never in between. Dried flowers are good for tea. The root is edible. Screenshot the page. Get all that good. Let's see what Google has to say. Is white clover medicinal? A white clover infusion can boost the immune system and treat fever, coughs, and colds. It is also good for treating common cold symptoms, such as congestion and headaches. White clover herbal tea could treat rheumatic aches and joint pain too. That's from eattheplanet.org. What else do they have here? Let's see. Is white clover good for humans? They're both edible and delicious. White clover is an alternative like its cousin, the red clover, meaning it improves the condition of our blood. It is helpful both internally and externally in cases of gout. From hobbyfarms.com. These are all the beautiful white clovers I am getting ready to harvest before the grass gets cut. I did not ask you to come help. Ooh, look at that pretty purple one. There you go. Oh my goodness. That's called red clover. Yeah, let's see here. It is slightly sweeter than the others. Beauties, this took way longer than I expected. And I needed to broaden my horizons. I am so stuck on dandelions. I needed to try something else, like this white clover tea. All right, so I have gathered enough of these white clovers. The next thing I'm going to do is rinse them and pour hot water over them and steep it. I'll let you know how it tastes, beauties. This is my All right, so it was a bit refreshing. It tastes kind of florally. I tasted it without any sugar maple syrup, so I think you guys can handle this tea for all the benefits. Subscribe.